Opening the D0 parametric drawing from the previous video. Here we will show how to associate variables with other variables using expressions. Let's create a whole and insert variables that control its dimensions. Inserting new comments. Comment function with following informations. LF for the whole length, and DF for the whole diameter. Adding comments to the list. Activating the create variable function, and defining the variables in sequence. Now we create the variables LF and DF not with fixed values, but as a function of an expression using the variables L and H. For LF, define the expression L times 0.5 and DF define the expression H times 0.25. With the right mouse button over the list of variables, open the quick menu. Set to show the list of variables in chronological order. See the variables LF and DF defined after the variables L and D and their expressions. Creating a whole. Standard whole function with variables LF and DF. Activating the option positioning the whole at the midpoint of the line and indicating the line. Creating a TOOD part. Defining the reference positioning point of the part. Save with the name PD1 in the same folder where the previous part PD0 was created. And description of the part. Saving the drawing as D1. Opening drawing or 0 which already contains the part PD0 and insert part PD1. The PD0 creation was shown in the previous video. Also, the properties box already explained in the previous video. See that this is the second part added to drawing R0 and now receives the suffix index 1. Indicating the values for L and D. Positioning the rectangle with whole. As the whole variables are associated with the dimensions of the rectangle L and H, the whole is created automatically without the need to define the LF and DF variables.